Have you ever dreamed of turning a small investment into a fortune? It's not just a dream, it's my reality. In this video, I'm going to reveal the exact step-by-step strategy to make millions in the stock market as a beginner. Stick with me, because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Hey there, welcome to Money Mindset. If you've been wondering how to start investing in the stock market and actually make money, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my personal journey and a proven strategy to help you go from a beginner to a successful investor. And the best part, it's simple, actionable, and anyone can do it. So grab a pen and paper, because this is going to be a masterclass. Before diving into strategies, let's get the basics out of the way. What exactly is the stock market? Think of it as a place where people buy and sell ownership in companies. When you own a share, you're essentially owning a piece of that company. And over time, as the company grows, so does the value of your investment. Key terms to know as a beginner: stocks, ownership in a company; dividends, payments companies make to shareholders; ETFs, a group of stocks bundled together to reduce risk. You don't need a finance degree to get started, just a willingness to learn. Now, let me walk you through the exact strategy I use to build wealth in the stock market. Step 1. Start small. When I began, I didn't invest thousands right away. Instead, I started small, investing just $100 a month. The key is consistency. Over time, those small amounts can compound into big gains. Step 2. Focus on blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks are shares in established companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Coca-Cola. They're stable, reliable, and a great starting point for beginners. Step 3. Use dollar cost averaging. Rather than trying to time the market, I invested a fixed amount regularly, no matter if prices were up or down. This reduced risk and maximized my long-term gains. Step 4. Reinvest dividends. I didn't spend the dividends I earned, I reinvested them back into more stocks. This supercharged my portfolio growth. Step 5. Stay patient. Wealth isn't built overnight. By staying invested and ignoring the noise of daily market fluctuations, I allowed my investments to grow steadily. Here are some tools and platforms that help me. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, or Trade make it easy to start investing. Books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham taught me invaluable lessons. YouTube channels and forums provided real-time insights and strategies. Remember, learning never stops in the stock market. The more you educate yourself, the more confident you'll feel about your decisions. And there you have it, my step-by-step strategy for making millions in the stock market as a beginner. Let's recap. Start small and stay consistent. Invest in blue chip stocks. Use dollar cost averaging. Reinvest your dividends. Be patient and think long term.